I'm going to File, I'm going to Open, and I'm going to Downloads, which is in polygons, red, blue, but I also have some other ones like color choice. So this piece of code imports the turtle. This imports the turtle, but it's supposed to be like in real time. But my code does. First it asks you how many vertices you want, but right now I'm just gonna put 7. And then it'll ask you what color you want, red or blue, and I'm gonna do red. And it asks you what would you like to clear. You put Y for yes and put in for no. So right now I'm gonna put in for no, and then I'm gonna put 3 vertices, which is a triangle, and then I'm going to make the color blue. And it says would you like to clear, but if you press would you like to clear, it's gonna clear everything.